Arise, my love, arise, my fairest among the rest. Come away with me, come away with me. Young at heart when you're close to me. Arise, my love, arise. I sat down under his shadow with great delight, and his fruit was sweet to my taste. I can feel him deep within my skin. He brought me to the banqueting house. His banner over me was love. His left hand is under my head. His right hand doeth embrace me, as the apple tree among the trees of the wood. So is my beloved among other men I know. Arise, my love, arise, my fairest among the rest. Come away with me, come away with me. I'm young at heart when you're close to me. Arise, my love, arise. My beloved spake and said unto me, rise up, my love, my fairest one. Come away with me, for the winter is past, the rain is over and gone. The flowers are up here on the earth. The time of the singing of birds is come, and the voice of the turtle is heard in the land. The fig tree is putting forth her green figs, and the winds with the tender grapes, giving a good smell. Arise, my love, arise, my fairest among the rest. Come away with me, come away with me. I'm young at heart when you were close to me. Arise, my love, arise. I'm the rose of Sharon, the lilies of the valleys. My beloved is mine, and I am his. Let me hear thy voice, for sweet is thy sound, leaping upon the mountains, skipping upon the hills. Arise, my love, arise. Arise, my love, arise, my fairest among the rest. Come away with me, come away with me. I'm young at heart when you are with me. Arise, my love.